Timelines and deadlines destroy creativity. Do they really do so? Let's have a group discussion on this. Yes, this is exactly the theme of the virtual youth talk show, which would be streamed live on the Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. Good evening, everyone. Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati, this side from Weaving Dreams. I would like to tell you all that this is a platform wherein we invite the youth to come and discuss on varied themes. And this time, the theme of the discussion is Deadlines Destroy Creativity. We are organizing this on the 9th of December, and this is the 7th episode of the Youth Talk Show. Deadlines normally force us to focus on finishing the task at hand rather than coming up with creative ideas. Normally, if we continuously chase the deadlines, what happens? The people become emotionally exhausted. And if they become exhausted, do you think there would be motivation in them to be creative anymore? And even if we get the creative ideas, not implementing them requires more time. And if we have a very small deadline or the time frame within which we have to complete the task, do you think that the implementation can be easy? Now, everyone is different. Some people can be creative under pressure, under stress. Some people shall be coming out with new innovative ideas under stress. At the same time, there are certain people who can be creative only if there is no pressure, there is no deadline put upon them to do the work. So giving these deadlines to those who just cannot cope up with the pressure, is it correct? Do you think that it will enhance the creativity or destroy the creativity? At the same time, do you also think that if there are no timelines, if there are no deadlines, then people may keep on postponing the task in search of having a better idea, in search of having a better creative idea? Now, example, an entrepreneur gives the manager the task of doing something. The manager or the team person is not able to actually give in the best. He is still in search of a better and a better creative idea. So what will happen? He will not be able to give in the task to the entrepreneur on time. Therefore, if there is no deadline, the person will keep on postponing the task. Is this correct? And one more thing, if we get used to being creative so much, thinking and implementing the creative ideas, that will become a habit of ours. Now, every time do you really think that we have to be just perfect? Another thing to be kept in mind, if there is no deadline, we'll have plenty of time. And what if the idea does not work? What if, even if after taking so much of time, it's a failure? Now that will actually demotivate the person. That will rather kill the creativity. So this is what we want to discuss in this youth talk show. So we invite you all, the young participants, you can register and you can ponder, you can discuss on the theme, whether deadlines destroy creativity or not. You share your ideas with us. We shall be streaming live on the Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. We shall also be discussing, just in case we have a pressure, we have a deadline, then how to be creative. Certain points, certain suggestions. Those suggestions can be, for example, I have a timeline that within this time frame, I have to finish a task. What will I do? It's quite possible I may divide the task into further subtasks, make small deadlines. Will that reduce the pressure of doing the work? It may. Then setting some time aside to think about the creative ideas. This also helps. In our daily routine, we can always have some time for us wherein we can have creativity. Another thing that we can do is to work under pressure. If we are told to work under pressure, we can eliminate the distractions so that we can think more, we can be more creative, and we can finish the task on time. Look, we have to understand that mistakes do happen. Whenever we are trying something new, whenever we are trying to be creative, mistakes will happen. We have to accept there would be a failure. But at the same time, we should not be scared of failing. We should not be scared of making mistakes. Then definitely that will help us in being creative. We can also take tiny or the small breaks. What will that do? That will reboot our brain, and then we can think more clearly. We can have more creativity. So, not everyone can manage to be creative under pressure, but some people work only under pressure. Some people feel that deadlines kill creativity. At the same time, others feel that deadlines can spur the creative ideas. This is exactly what we would be discussing on our 7th You Talk show on 9th of December. So, we invite you all to register for the same, to join us as participants, to share your views and thoughts on this. And for all the previous You Talk shows, you can always check on the description. I'm sharing all the links of the previous You Talk shows that we have organized. Don't forget to watch all the previous You Talk shows that we have already organized on our channel. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit the like button.